Hello friends, our topic is anthelmintic drugs and presented by myself Mrs. Urmila Ravindra Gauri, M.Pharm. First of all, we see introduction to helminth disease. Tropical disease caused by parasitic worm multicellular organism which infect the body are called helminth disease. The three main family of worm that infest human being two phyla are: first one is Nemathelminth, that is also called nematode, which is roundworm. Second is Platyhelminth, that is divided into cystode, that is tapeworm, and second one trematode, that is flukes. Helminth divided into flatworm, roundworm, and roundworm again divided into trematodes and cystodes, while roundworm are divided into tissue type and intestinal type roundworm. Other nematodal infections: intestinal roundworm, Ascaris roundworm, pinworm, whipworm, roundworm, hookworm, guinea worm, trichinosis, filariasis. Most of the people carry one or more another type of parasite in intestine. Among the nematode, hookworm causes dangerous infestation as they remain attached to the wall of intestine and suck blood. Cystodes are unpleasant but do not cause a serious illness. The nematode's infestation contributing to death is schistosomacia, blood flux, which penetrate unbroken skin to vein and causing slow destruction of liver and kidney. This parasite causes epigastric distresses, abdominal pain, anorexia, diarrhea with mucus and blood, enlarged liver, etc. Anthelmintic is restricted to the drug which expel parasites from GI tract. Anthelminths are the drugs which are used to oppose any type of helminthiasis, that is helminthic disease infections. Anthelmintic or anti-helminths are the group of anti-parasitic drugs that expel parasitic worm, that is helminths, and other internal parasites from the body by either stunning or killing them and without causing significant damage to the host cell. These are the anti-helminth drugs. Classification, chemical classification of anthelmintic drugs. First, halogenated hydrocarbon, example tetrachloroethylene. Second one, halogenated phenol and biphenol, example bithenol. Third one is dyes, example gentian violet. Fourth one, piperazine and related compound, piperazine citrate and diethyl carbamazine citrate, that is DEC, are the example of piperazine and related compound. Fifth class is other heterocyclic ring containing compound, example mebendazole that contains benzimidazole and miridazole that contains imidazole ring. Fourth class is class alkaloids and the example is imitin. And seventh class is antimonial compound, example is antimony potassium tartarate. First drug is piperazine. The structure of piperazine: it is a 6-membered ring containing 2 nitrogen atoms at 1 and 4 positions. The compound is only used for the treatment of ascariasis. It is readily absorbed orally and excreted in urine. Mechanism of action: it causes paralysis of ascarias by blocking acetylcholine at the myoneural junction, expelling the live worm by normal peristalsis. Treatment is continued for 3 to 4 days or repeated after 1 week in case of heavy infection. Chemical property: when its aqueous solution is treated with potassium ferrocyanide solution in presence of mercury and sodium bicarbonate, a red color is slowly produced. Storage. It is deliquescent and is affected by light, hence it is stored in tightly closed light-resistant container. Adverse effects: GI disturbances, neurotoxicity, allergic reaction, serum sickness-like syndrome can be shown by this drug. Contraindication: epilepsy or chronic neurological disorder, impair liver or kidney functions. Next drug is diethyl carbamazine, that is also called DEC, and the structure of diethyl carbamazine which contains piperazine ring. Chemical name for the drug of choice for the treatment of filariasis, loiasis and tropical eosinophili. Pharmacokinetic. It is a synthetic derivative of piperazine, rapidly absorbed from gut. It has a half-life of 2-3 hours, which increases in alkaline urine up to 10 hours. Equilibrium with all tissue except fat. It is excreted in urine unchanged. Dosage is reduces in urinary alkalosis and renal impairment. Mechanism of action: it immobilizes microvilli in tissue and alter its surface structure, making them more susceptible to destruction by host defense mechanism. Unknown mechanism against adult worm. It also possesses an immunosuppressive effect. It has no keratogenic effect on experimental animals. Uses: it is a drug of choice for the treatment of tissue cystodes, W. bancroftii, B. malayi, B. timori, and loa loa. Microvilli are rapidly killed. Adult worms are killed slowly, requiring several courses of treatment. Adult worms are either killed or sterilized. It is highly effective against loa loa. Contraindication and the causes: renal disease. It is patient susceptible for having malaria, patient with lymphangitis, hypertension. In this condition, the drug DEC is contraindicated. Next drug is mebendazole, which is also called Vermox. It is a synthetic benzimidazole drug. It has wider spectrum and is safe. It is also used to kill hookworm, pinworm, ascaris and trichoris egg. Pharmacokinetic. Less than 10% of oral administered drugs is absorbed. Absorption increases with fatty meals. Absorbed drug is 90% protein bound. It is converted to inactive metabolites rapidly in liver. It has half-life of 2 to 6 hours. It is primarily excreted in bile. Uses: it is useful drug in case of mixed infection by Ascaris lumbricoides, Trichoris trichora, hookworm, and Trichostrongylus, these parasites. It is useful drug in case of mixed infection by intestinal capillariasis. It has limited efficacy against adult worm trichinosis. In adult and children over 2 years, cure rate is 90 to 100%, except hookworm, but a marked reduce in worm burden occur. Adverse effect and precautions. First, no adverse effect in short-term therapy except for mild GI disturbances. Second one, with high dose hypersensitivity reaction, agranulocytosis, alopecia, elevation of liver enzyme increases. Third one, contraindicated in pregnancy. Fourth one, use with caution under 2 years of age may causes convulsion in this group. and last one, use with caution in cirrhosis. Thank you.